Hi everybody, I'm Jason from Ntfiber, also Ntfairing. Yes, you heard it right, we're developing carbon fiber products. Listen, I'm talking about the real deal carbon fiber fairings fit for BMW, Ducati, Honda, Kawasaki, Suzuki, and Yamaha, you name it. Now let's unbox one of them. Here we go.